everything planned कि बस domino effect.
Absolutely domino effect. My parents said masters कर लो कर लिया. My mom said work experience ले लो कर लिया. Job कर लो कर लिया. So I did everything what people were asking me to do. I always wanted to do one Telugu film. It's like tribute to my family, my people. So I had to put my ego aside. I had to really be like, okay, I'm Johnny Lever's daughter, but this is real life. I have to hustle. I really have to try. I really have to work hard for this. আমি জানি তুমি কি বলছো আমি জানি
Oh my god, she's so good.
There's my dad and my chacha both. My chacha Jimmy Moses, who's also a stand-up comic himself, he's the one who's actually properly mentored me every step of the way. My dad obviously is busy, so he can't be available to me.
Namaste Darshako, I am Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Not So Mainstream, streaming exclusively on Pop Diaries channel. Today we have with us the gorgeous, the very talented, the amazing, कते ही मैं इस तरीके से उनको introduce नहीं करूँगी because she deserves to be introduced in a very unique way. You see, today we have with us someone who has redefined the definition of creating her own name in the industry in not so stereotypical ways. And when I say that, I'm not taking away the gorgeous and the very talented part because she is, and she's proven that already. But there's one more amazing thing about her. She makes us laugh. She acts. She performs, and I have to tell you, she is breaking stereotypes like it's not a big deal, left and right. The most important thing, she inspires all of us, me included, with her sheer confidence. And she is a powerhouse of talent. Let's welcome the one and only Jamie Lever on Not So Mainstream.
रुलाएगी क्या पगली? Oh my God! What is this? Oscar award ही दे देना, अभी खत्म करो यार. उफ, इतना लंबा और इतना बढ़िया इंट्रोडक्शन. आंसू निकल गए मेरे. खत्म हो गया मेरा. चलो बाय बाय. चलो खत्म. शुरू है. ओ शुरू है.
अभी तो और भी बोलूंगी मैं.
No, so sweet, so sweet.
So
Loved it. Wow, बोलती जाओ. और भी है? कुछ लिखा हुआ?
अभी ये
नहीं बोल दो यार, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही हो.
Thank
बहुत
you,
मतलब
thank you
इतना
so
तो मैंने
much.
नहीं सुना मेरे बारे में. खुद मुझे याद मेरे बारे में ही बोले जा रहे हैं. ओके.
अरे बट सीरियसली आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई थिंक लोगों को ये बोलना चाहिए, एक्नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है दैट यू आर समवन हु really inspires everybody from
That
your
is so
confidence.
sweet.
I have
That is so sweet.
only had one conversation with her before for the popcorn interviews, and even then she has the same kind of that vibe. वो बोलते हैं ना, एक तरीका होता है एक इंसान के आजू बाजू एक ऑरा होता है, वो बैठता है बात करता है and you understand कि या भाई she is someone who is inspiring.
So sweet, so sweet.
And the way, actually I'm very curious to know,
Yeah.
Jamie, ये जो आपका start रहा है, ठीक है, from the whole journey, being in the industry, I just want to know one thing, was it always planned like this? Like, was acting also planned? Was movies planned? Was everything planned? कि बस domino effect?
Absolutely a domino effect. Nothing was planned. Did not know for the longest time कि मुझे करना क्या है. For really, I'm a late bloomer. मुझे बहुत धीरे से समझ में आता है. मैं ट्यूबलाइट थी, अभी थोड़ा बेटर हो गई हूँ. तो till the age of 24, those are the years where you kind of know what you want to do, and you know, those are the initial years, foundational years बोल लो, where people know, okay, चलो, this is the path that I want to choose and this is the direction I want to go in. मेरा वैसा था ही नहीं. I was just like listening to people. My parents said masters कर लो कर लिया. My mom said work experience ले लो कर लिया. Job कर लो कर लिया. तो I did everything what people were asking me to do. But I think it took me a lot of time to really kind of sit with myself and figure out कि मुझे क्या करना है. And I think it became a bit obvious for people around me कि नहीं, she will get into this line and she's made for this and she's made to entertain people. But it took me time, and it took me a lot of time to kind of gather that confidence. Because this is not an easy field.
Absolutely.
They say laughter is a serious business, and it is really serious. It was a serious decision to choose this, and generally also हम काफ़ी seriously लेते हैं लोगों को हंसाना. मतलब जोक लिखना भी हम इस पे हंसी आएगी. ऐसा है?
नो बिकॉज मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता था कि लाफ्टर ऑब्वियसली बहुत इजी नहीं है करना, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी बैड, आई हैव अ वेरी बैड सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर एंड नोबडी लाफ्स एट माय जोक्स, बट द मोमेंट आई एम
Good to
सीरियस
know.
the moment I'm serious, everybody is laughing on
अच्छा.
something I've said and I'm like कि मैंने joke crack ही नहीं किया. तो
Nice.
फिर मेरे साथ वो उल्टा होता है, तो I really have a lot of respect for people who can make people laugh. So for me तो वो मतलब, and coming from the part, I want to tell you this कि even though you have this legacy with you that you're carrying, there's a pressure. There's
Yeah.
always a pressure when
Yeah.
you have a legacy with you.
Yeah.
And legacy like the OG, the goat of comedy, you know. But I want to know, yes, लोग बोलते हैं कि there's a lot of noise around, about nepotism and everything. I want to know, I have to also say this, कि contradictory to what people believe about Star Kids, she is someone who's not been served opportunities on a silver platter. Please take that from me. And I also want to ask you, how has that been, the experience of, surrounding nepotism and being on the other side where things were not easy for you?
You know, sometimes I feel like it's a bit unfair because some people have been given the opportunity so easily and, like easily लोगों का launch हो जाता है,
Right.
easily लोगों को opportunity मिल जाती है, इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में and they are playing the lead and I'm like, how does that happen? And then there's one side where we are also star kids but no, things have been different for us. I was just telling somebody that I saw an interview of Shahid Kapoor's where he said कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट के बच्चों को नहीं मिलती अपॉर्चुनिटी इतने इजीली. इट्स जस्ट बिग डायरेक्टर्स और बिग स्टार्स जिनके बच्चे होते हैं उनको बड़े इजीली लॉन्च दिया जाता है, बट इट्स नॉट द सेम फॉर अस. एंड आई सॉर्ट ऑफ रिलेट, इट्स लाइक even though my dad is from the same field,
Exactly.
maybe because उनका नहीं था लोगों के साथ उठना बैठना, maybe we didn't go for filmy parties, or I didn't have that kind of background. We never really connected with people from the field. We never had like Manish Malhotra is inviting us for parties and वो सब था नहीं. And my dad did not enjoy that kind of stuff. Like he treated his job as a job. बस it was like duty for him. करके आ रहा हूँ मैं, shift खत्म कर रहा हूँ घर पे, I want to sleep. I want to be with my family. So that was the vibe. So so things are very different for me, and I hold it as a badge of pride right now because my journey has been like this. I kind of figured everything out myself. I have made calls, I have done auditions, I have waited, I have auditioned for movies, I've called casting directors, I tested for a lot of things, reject हुई हूँ. बहुत सारी चीज़ें रिजेक्ट हो गई, कभी क्लिक किया, वैसे वैसे मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिली हैं. सो इट्स बिन डिफरेंट बट एंड इट वॉज वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट बिकॉज ग्रोइंग अप आई थॉट कि हो जाएगा. सारे स्टार किड्स, इफ यू आर इन द इंडस्ट्री, इफ योर पेरेंट्स आर इन द इंडस्ट्री, यू विल गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी वेरी इजीली. एंड इवन द किड्स अराउंड मी टोल्ड मी द सेम, लाइक तू क्या है, यू डोंट हैव टू वरी, यू विल बी इन बॉलीवुड ना. बट ऐसा नहीं था. सो आई हैड टू पुट माई ईगो असाइड. I had to really be like, okay, I'm Johnny Lever's daughter, but this is real life. I have to hustle. I really have to try. I really have to work hard for this. And my dad was very sure that he's not going to help me. He's very like, okay, figure it out. And I think he also kind of threw me in the deep ocean because he wanted to see if I can really do this. Yeah. If I'm made for this. And I was challenged by everything around me. But yeah, he's happy that I figured it out and now I have my own identity. People know me for what I do.
Exactly.
And he's also proud of me for that.
And not just know you, but they also love you. They love to see you to the point where I have to say this. I don't know if it's a prevalent thought, but I feel it somehow that in the industry of comedy, women have a very different kind of, they're not accepted that easily.
Yeah.
That was the case before. But
Yeah.
now we have come to that point where she is the first female to have a complete show about a complete stand-up comedy show for herself. And that is a huge, huge thing.
Thank you.
It's a huge accomplishment and we have to acknowledge that fact that is the kind of hustle that you've gone through and now
Yeah.
you're there.
Yeah.
So how's the experience of being the first person to do this,
I won't say I'm the first. There are a lot of female comics. There's also Aditi Mittal. There's so many.
Yes,
Prashasti is there. All these people are there. They're doing really great stuff. We are very, very few in number. Very, very few in number. And now that I've been doing stand-up for the past 10 years. लोगों को पता नहीं है because I didn't put my content out there. I didn't put any videos. Like usually, typically stand-up comedians will put out videos on
Yes,
YouTube and that's
yeah.
how people know. And they've built their own fan base.
Yeah.
मेरा बड़ा अलग route था. I did TV, I did films.
Yes.
And stand-up was a constant. Because that was honestly my first gig was stand-up gig. I started with stand-up. But I never put anything out there. बस हमारा ये था कि यार shows करते जाओ, do your thing. And then now suddenly, now that I'm doing these shows, people think कि अच्छा अभी stand-up भी कर रही है. नहीं, but I've toured with my father, done 250 plus shows worldwide with him. I do my own corporate shows. I do other shows, private shows जो भी हैं, wherever people invite me. I've done shows. Yeah, so now this is finally after 10, 12 years of doing so much, small gigs here and there, कहीं 20 मिनट किया, कहीं 30 मिनट, कहीं 40 minutes. Now with all that experience, अब जाके 2 घंटे का set बनाया है and I'm doing my own one woman show, which is
I can't even imagine. It's in itself, it's a very big thing.
it's a big thing and my dad predicted it 4 साल पहले. He said बेटा तेरा one woman show होने वाला है, so start gear up
my
for it.
God.
He said get ready for it, people are going to ask for it, it's going to happen, so I hope you're preparing for it. And it did. Some producers came up to me and they said we really want to do a Jamie Lever live show, and I was like okay, this is really crazy. And instantly I was like okay, am I ready for it? I had so many like doubts and I was nervous. But it's the most rewarding thing to be on stage, to be applauded, to be appreciated. And I feel like you haven't seen the best of me if you have not seen me on stage. If you see me on stage, it's like you're getting the best of me there. Everything together. 10 साल की जो मेहनत, जो skills acquire किए हैं, जिस पे work किया है, जिसको मैंने brush up किया है, जिस पे मैं better होती गई हूँ. Everything together, it's like a ta-dang, atom bomb.
Wow, super.
Yeah.
I think nobody could have culminized the whole process of coming up till here so better as you've done it.
Oh, thank you.
That was really, I mean, because I was sitting here and I was understanding and I was thinking, ki, that's a long journey.
Yeah.
And that's very, very different. Like you told, you were not, putting the stuff out there.
No, yeah.
But you were already doing it so much.
Yeah.
And somehow, मेरे को भी ऐसा feeling होता है. And I want to ask you, social media के through, if social media in a hypothetical world wouldn't have been there,
Yeah.
do you think that it would have been easier to fast forward the cut to chase in the industry and bag meaningful roles for yourself?
No, I feel like social media has really helped me. It's helped me a lot. I've been, like I said, I've been working for 10 years, but the opportunities that I'm getting now because of social media are so much better, bigger opportunities. So many directors, producers, actors know me when I'm only surprised to know कि I heard Kareena Kapoor talk about me on her podcast and I was like, what? She knows my name? I was shooting for Bhoot Police and Saif sir told me, he said, my wife watches your videos. And I said, okay. Why? Kareena Kapoor? It's like, this is big for me. And how that has helped me, social media has done that for me. So I think social media has speeded up the process for me. वो ज़्यादा जल्दी हो गया.
Okay.
And it's just so easy for people to find you. You just pop up if your videos are going viral. You're on people's phones. Like इतना close हमारा relation हो गया है. So I think it's helped me big time. A lot of my movie offers I've gotten after my videos went viral. I have gotten shows. I did a whole long format. I did a show for Flipkart. I had like 100 episodes. I did that. It was the Jamie show. Thanks to social media. I'm doing these one woman shows thanks to social media. So I think this platform is excellent for us artists. Like the past 10 years, जो भी मैंने काम किया है, I was made to do the same thing over and over again every year on television, and it was getting really boring. I was put in a box, and social media just opened like this, gave me this opportunity to try out different things. इतनी मिमिक्रीज, इतना मैं सिंगिंग कंटेंट डाला, मैंने डांसिंग कंटेंट डाला, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स कर रही हूँ, मिमिक्री कर रही हूँ. आई एम फ्री टू डू वट एवर आई वॉन्ट टू डू. आई कैन पोस्ट वट एवर. सो इतनी वर्सिटैलिटी आई कैन शो ऑन दिस इज माई पर्सनल प्लेटफॉर्म. So I use it.
On that note, I want to ask you, singing, and this is because I have also been watching your content. जब भी मुझे हंसने का मन करता है, मैं इनका खोलती हूँ और मैं इनको देखती हूँ. इनके गाने मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
Thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
so I want to know, dancing हो गया, singing हो गया, performing,
Yeah.
acting. How do you manage so many things? मेरे तो रायते फैल रहे हैं personal और professional life में. You're maintaining both so much on point.
Yeah, I really enjoy what I do. I really enjoy it. I think in my lowest points, I've made a comedy sketch video. When I'm sad, I turn to comedy, and that just changes the mood completely. When I'm sad and I'm confused, I'm feeling really low about myself. I'll just be sitting and then मुझे अगर कुछ idea आ गया, then I'll just switch on the camera and make a video. I feel like they say ना comedy comes from tragedy. मुझे लगता है वो है, you know, because in my lowest points I've made a comedy video and people have appreciated me and the comments will just make my day. So it changes my mindset and singing is something I really enjoy. I never wanted to take it up professionally. But I just do it because I just enjoy it. My dad loves music. तो मेरे घर में बहुत musical माहौल है. My mom sings. She loves singing. And my dad has been, you know, like he used to bring us so many tapes घर पे. Whenever he used to travel, he used to bring like world music. उनको सारे गाने पसंद है. अरबी, African, American, pop singers. We had growing up, we used to just open the cupboard and we used to see tapes of Michael Jackson, Shakira, Usher, Beyonce, all these tapes of their live performances and he just loved collecting all of this. उनके पास time नहीं होता था to sit and watch all this. So we used to consume all that content, you know. We used to put those tapes in, those VHS बोलते हैं ना tapes.
Yes.
We used to put those
VCR.
What am I saying? VCR tapes. We used to put those tapes in and watch them. So that was our entertainment. So we grew up in that mahal. And my dad realized that I can sing. तो उन्होंने मुझे singing classes में डाल दिया. Indian classical मैंने सीखा हुआ है. And I used to personally love listening to and learning ghazals. So that is something I enjoyed. तो singing मैं तब करती हूँ जब ऐसे मन किया. Just थोड़ा कुछ relax करना है. Just pick up my guitar and try something. And dance is like for me, if I'm
It's
in a good mood, therapeutic. Absolutely.
Absolutely right.
Therapy is just dance. I'm dancing all the time, anytime, all the time.
I know. In the popcorn interviews as well, she was like ready to do the hook step of every other song. Like we had asked that thing to somebody else,
I'll
and
do it.
you were ready to do it.
Yeah, my
It
dad.
was
I
fun.
think all of us in my family, we love dancing.
Wow.
Yeah.
super.
तो अगर शादी वादी होती है तो हम लोग first खड़े हो जाते हैं. हम करेंगे.
Nice.
Like that.
That's super. By the way, you're doing a South film.
I am.
Like going back to your roots, how does it feel like? What's the experience like?
So yeah, we learnt the language at home because dad was like, नहीं mother tongue आनी चाहिए. So I learnt the language because my dadi only spoke Telugu. तो अगर उनको डांटना होता था तो हमको तेलुगु में डांटती थी and if हमको respond करना है तो तेलुगु आनी चाहिए ना.
Exactly.
तो that's how we learnt Telugu. क्योंकि उनकी डांट खाने के लिए और respond करने के लिए to defend ourselves. So वो था and just to communicate with her and also if somebody's come to our house unannounced, so if you want to speak in private, then Telugu really comes in handy, you know, because this is
That's
a
true.
difficult language to understand.
Exactly.
It's not like Gujarati or Marathi ke samajh gaye.
Why?
And then Telugu we can fully say all our secrets. So that's how Telugu became like, that's how we learned the language. But obviously इतना अच्छे से हम बोल नहीं सकते. I always wanted to do one Telugu film, like tribute to my family, my people. I wanted to dedicate it to my दादी. Because मेरी दादी मुझे 10 साल से काम पे जाते हुए देख रही है, उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. She doesn't understand ये क्या बोलती है लड़की. She sees me on TV also. कभी randomly अगर वो किस को प्यार करूँ फिल्म तो non-stop TV पे आते रहता है. तो she watches me and she has no idea what I'm doing. So I feel like Telugu film करूँगी तो she'll understand. She'll understand. She'll enjoy it.
Exactly.
तो उसके लिए I wanted to do. I tried myself. I reached out to some casting people. वो नहीं हुआ. Didn't work out. And this has just come out of the blue. This film. The hero of the film was he happened to watch Popcorn, and he saw me in it, and he was like, "Oh, this girl is really good. We should get her." And they did some research only to find out that I'm Johnny Lever's daughter, and then they were happy to know that I speak the language. So that's how the role was offered to me. So it happened very organically, and I'm so proud that it happened like that. Like I didn't really have to reach out to people, but मुझे काम से काम मिला. So I'm very happy.
Yeah, like because that shows the connection, and it was like destiny. That
Yeah.
this had to be offered.
Yeah, it had to happen. And it really blows my mind because it's like it was my deepest desire, like to make one Telugu film. and it's happening. So it's really precious for me and special.
Super. I relate to the part where you said that learn the language so that you can talk.
Yeah.
बीच में वही secret
Privately, हाँ.
मैं भी same करती हूँ.
Bengali?
Yeah. we do the reason why I know Bengali is because of that.
Okay. लेकिन मेरे सामने मत बोला, मुझे आता है. मुझे आती है. Bengali.
नहीं बोलूँगी.
আমি জানি তুমি কি বলছো আমি জানি সব
Oh my
কিছু
God,
জানি
she's so good. Generally when they say that I know Bengali,
হ্যাঁ.
still the pronunciation is off.
না না
But
না
with
না
you,
আমার
it's-
pronunciation ভীষণ ভালো আছে.
Oh my God, how?
Because I had a friend who was Bengali and in my building, and I spent a lot of time at home at her place. So I grew up saying, "Mama, मुझे चा चाहिए, चा," because they would say cha na for chai.
Yes.
So I thought chai was cha. That's how I picked up small words, and I
She's fantastic.
थोड़ा grasping power है
No,
naturally
you're
तो.
fantastic.
Thank you.
Like you are learning languages ऐसे. Wow, super. Okay, I want to do a rapid fire with you.
Ooh.
Yes.
Do you have a hamper?
No.
Then I don't know if I want to do it.
We have food. And your
food.
favorite drink.
Okay, great.
Okay. So there's a rapid fire, but there's a twist. So right now you will answer as Jamie, but the style would be in whatever style if you want to. But हम लोग की तरफ से Farah Khan.
अच्छा. Only Farah?
Yeah, we
Okay,
want it because I don't know. It
Sure,
just kind
okay,
of
sure.
comes
Let's
across
do
very
it.
nice.
Let's do it.
Okay, so
Let's do it.
one director you would want to work with.
I really want to work with as Farah Khan.
Yeah,
But this is my answer, na?
your answer, but in the style of Farah Khan.
Okay. I think Jamie should work with me only. Obviously, I'm making all the best movies. All Happy New Year, Bolo, Shanti Om, all the best movies. What is this question? You're stupid or what? She should work with me, of course. And then she can do my mimicry only in the movie. तो hit ही हो जाएगा.
Wow.
या फरा के फिल्म में फरा.
Nice. Okay, बैंगन भरता और लौकी की सब्जी.
दोनों भी नहीं यार कितने बोरिंग सब्जी के ऑप्शंस दिए व्हाट इज दिस
We
गिव
wanted
सम
to
लाइक
give you-
भिंडी और समथिंग
I don't like
आलू
both
और
of them.
पनीर
I
और
don't like both of them. That is why I
किसने
kept
लिखे
it.
ये क्वेश्चंस मेरा
I've
मुंह का
kept it.
टेस्ट खराब करने के लिए लंच भी नहीं किया अभी तक
I would have given you paneer kadhai and all those, but
Yeah.
then I thought कि नहीं worst options देना है worst of worst होगा फिर.
मुंह ही ऐसा हो गया एकदम भरता वाला मुंह चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
Grocery shopping और घर में Netflix.
घर पे नेटफ्लिक्स करते हुए ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग फोन पे बैठे बैठे
Nice.
वो होता है
Blinkit.
हाँ ब्लिंकिट एंड डीमार्ट एंड एवरीथिंग आई हैव डन ऑल ऑफ इट आई एम दैट गर्ल
I'm also
मैं
that
बहुत
person.
सर्वगुण संपन्न हूँ मैं सर घर के सारे काम कर लेती हूँ
Superb. आ रही हूँ मैं सर्वगुण संपन्न. 3 actresses with whom you want to share the screen space with.
करीना क्योंकि
अरे
मुझे
वाह.
बहुत पसंद है यू नो आई एम द बेस्ट
अरे
by
वाह.
God. Kareena and I would have loved to be in that crew film
Yeah.
because listen, there's Tabu in it, ace actress Tabu, and then there's Kareena for the style and the
अरे वाह.
and then also Kriti Sanon what wow she
Exactly.
is. क्या हाइट है यार ऊंचाइयों
would
पर
have
पहुंच
been-
रही हैं
You would have like been the icing
या
on the
मैन
cake.
कोई सोचता ही नहीं है ये सब यार ऐसे पहले सोचना चाहिए फिल्म के पहले
Okay.
No, but that film, like I think it's an excellent cast. So
Exactly.
Tabu ji, yes, if I get an opportunity to play something serious or something, or negative shade,
Actually, that would be very, starkly very surprising. You'll shock everyone.
see, I'm giving you a face.
Oh my God.
Intense. I have it in me, I think.
Yeah, no, but seriously, I do believe that people who can make you laugh have the best way of, who are the best people to go for negative shades as well. There's something very
Yeah.
interesting.
So when are you directing? So because because you feel this, and because you know this, so you should direct. No,
मैं अगर direction की तो flop ही होना है.
एक director था वो भी गया. खैर.
You get hundreds.
Okay. Amen to that.
दर्द डिस्को में डांस करना या राखी सावंत के साथ गॉसिप करना? What do you prefer?
राखी सावंत के साथ गॉसिप करना, ऑफ कोर्स.
Same here.
कितना मसाला होगा मेरे पास, मीडिया मेरे पास भर भर के मसाला है बताने के लिए कि मेरे हस्बैंड ने मेरे साथ क्या किया, मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड ने क्या किया, उससे दूसरी शादी कर ली, मेरे साथ क्या नहीं हो रहा है. गॉड, ओ गॉड, मैं अकेली लड़की अबला नारी में तबला बजा रही हूँ, मुझे हस्बैंड की ज़रूरत है, मुझे पैसे की ज़रूरत है, अब मैं नाचूंगी, मैं अपना फिर से नाम कमाऊंगी बॉलीवुड में, मेरा बॉलीवुड का डेब्यू भी हो गया, मेरा वेब सीरीज भी आ रहा है.
Wow.
It takes a lot of energy to do this. I'm just feeling like I need one electrol after this.
Okay, now we're done with this one.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But as you said, Sarvagun Sampanna,
Yeah,
so something cropped up into my mind.
yeah.
So talking about love,
Oh,
yes. I want to know if you get the time to
like
date
just put in
and
some
meet
background
people.
music, the sad वाला, वो जो reality show में sad आता है ना, वो music at the background. You can put that in.
I think I should put that in. Yeah, because मेरे साथ भी same है. But
अच्छा.
I want to know, do you get time to date, meet people?
Actually, honestly, no, because the people, even if I have to go out on a date, they are some, like this is like my research for my next set, or I'm going to make a comedy sketch about date per kya hua, and so people get nervous around me, and I think guys also get intimidated a little bit because they feel like I'm a very strong personality, but actually वैसा है नहीं. I have this emotional side to me, and obviously लड़की तो मैं हूँ ही, तो I have the crazy side, I have my mood swings, so all these girl-like things I have, but I think guys get a bit intimidated because they feel like, okay, she has a strong personality, she's a very confident girl, तो कैसे होगा, how can we handle this? So it's a bit like that.
Because you know,
so
when I was asking you this question, I thought you would say that they have this preconceived notion that if they go on a date with you, they're gonna laugh a lot. So you might actually end up going to a lot of dates.
नहीं ऐसा yeah, I feel the pressure that I have to make people laugh.
Oh.
Yeah, that I have to be funny. But normal life में तो ऐसे नहीं हूँ ना मैं. Like I have, like I said, I'm a very normal person, please. So
Exactly.
you know, like
very normal
I
and
have
very humble and very down to earth. I am going on again.
अरे अरे
I just keep.
No, it's sweet. It's बोलो और बोलो. तो नहीं, but like I can be quiet also. I can have my quiet moments, but I feel pressured that सामने वाला might expect me to be like this powerhouse of energy and just come and just start joking around and be funny. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. तो and then the other side is also I work too much.
She's a workaholic.
I am a workaholic and I really truly enjoy my work. And I feel like when I'm working, I'm the happiest, honestly. So even though I'm a single girl right now, but ऐसा कोई regret नहीं है कि हाय मैं single हूँ मेरा क्या होगा. नहीं, I'm very happy. मुझे सिर्फ काम दो बस. I'll be the happiest. So
Then
that's
please
good.
give her work.
काम
more
दे
work.
दो
We
मुझे.
want to see her more on screen, on every screen.
Thank
जो भी
you.
screen available है सब में we want to see you.
हाँ, I will do anything. I will social media पे तो already हूँ मैं.
You're
एक वेब
always
सीरीज
on the
की है
timeline.
मैंने. हाँ, और भी वेब सीरीज करने के लिए अवेलेबल हूँ. फिल्में कर रही हूँ, स्टेज पे भी आ गई हूँ मैं, और बस टीवी कर चुकी हूँ. कोई प्लेटफॉर्म छोड़ना ही नहीं है मुझे. I want
छोड़ना भी
to
मत.
do everything.
Absolutely. Because we are very eager to see you in every frame.
Thank you.
And you were talking about strong personalities. When I talk about strong women, I also feel that there is a very strong male also who's empowering them, just like how a strong female empowers a strong man, just like that. And for you, in a case, I feel that all the time that we've talked up until now, सारी conversations में it's like my dad has pushed me to do this,
Yeah.
and he's been the pillar of strength and confidence. He said कि हाँ होगा, वो एक show होगा, and that happened.
Yeah.
So how was he as a dad, and how did he shape you to be the woman that you are today, that
Yeah.
you are, like independent, fierce?
Yeah, I think more than just training me and mentoring me when it comes to the career and the job and work. By the way, there's my dad and my chacha both. My chacha Jimmy Moses, who's also a stand-up comic himself, he's the one who's actually properly mentored me every step of the way. My dad obviously is busy, so
Obviously.
he can't be available to me. But my uncle has trained me. So these two men have been behind my back. But I feel like the person I am today, I have to give credit to my father because he's taught me to be humble. He's taught me to be to work, to be a hardworking person, to have discipline, which is very important. Taught me the importance of time, punctuality, because comedy में भी there's comic timing. तो timing is बहुत ज़रूरी life में. And all of these things just to shape me as a person, you know, my personality. If people come to me and say, you're a nice person to talk to, I have to give my parents a credit for that, you know, and that is more important than, you know, even the work that you do. How you behave on set, how you are with people, that is really important. यार अगर आपका बिहेवियर अच्छा नहीं है ना तो अगली फिल्म में आपको नहीं कोई बुलाएगा, भले आपका काम भी बहुत अच्छा हो,
Very
because
true.
you're difficult to work with. It's,
Exactly.
you know, you don't want to be that person. You don't want to be a pain to work with. You want to be a pleasure. So, you know, and those values are more important. That behavior is more important. So, काम तो हम सीखते हैं on the job, and we learn, we grow. But this is, you know, this how to be this humble, simple person. And it's because we have these Christian values also. So that has shaped me. That's made me who I am today.
And you're a very beautiful person.
Thank you.
Inside out.
Thank
I love
you
the
so
way she
much.
styles herself as well. It's.
Ooh.
I'm picking notes.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
But before I let you go, I want to know, we all know that you've had a very unconventional journey, which was completely away from the stereotypes and everything that, you know, you expect out of a debut or anything for that
Yeah.
matter. For you as a person and as a, you know, person in the career as well, in this industry, what makes you not so mainstream? It completely hatke.
Not so mainstream. I don't know. मुझे तो लगता है मैं mainstream ही हूँ. मतलब क्या है इसमें क्या है? I don't know. But हटके ये चीज़ है कि with all the skill set that I have ना, with the fact that I can do mimicry and dancing and singing, and then characters that I do, and then I put everything together. I would like to believe it's a rare combination to have
Very
all of
true.
it. It sounds like I'm bragging about myself,
No,
but
no, no.
वो नहीं है. मतलब I've worked hard and I've worked on all of these skills and I've put everything together. So it's a nice combination. It's a nice mix. So, you know, like people say on my social media, कि आप, what is it that you can't do? You are touching on everything. You're doing everything. When I do a photo shoot, I want to look glamorous. So I work towards that. I work on my fitness. I work on my singing. I don't just sing ऐसे ही, but मेरी training है और मैं try करती हूँ. मेरी guitar skills इतने अच्छे नहीं, but मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. And dancing also, I'm learning. I'm trying to better myself. So this whole fact that I can put everything together in one and bring it to the audiences is what makes me, I guess, different and unique. And yeah, that's why I believe that I have something great to offer, and I do everything to entertain you. Yeah, so I like to believe that I'm a complete entertainer.
She is a complete entertainer and she's very hatke. So that's it to Not So Mainstream. Thank you so much, Jamie, for being
you.
here, giving us your time. I know you're very busy, but thank you so much for giving us your time.
Thank you for
and
having
being
me.
so warm
Oh.
and so beautiful. It was an eye-opener conversation for me, honestly, because I learned a lot from you, personally, on a
Thank you so
personal
much.
level. So thank you for being the star that you are.
Wow, that is so sweet. Thank you for having me. It was lovely chatting with you.
And that was it on Not So Mainstream. Please keep streaming us on Pop Diaries channel. Click on the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment on the comment section, like, share. And until next time, bye.